Welcome to Shorthand Study Classes. Get ready for the transcription. Start. Committee made their recommendations. The empowered committee of state finance ministers was consulted from time to time to suggest various changes and improvements in the bill. Stop simultaneously. A process of dialogue with all major political parties in parliament was also undertaken. Stop. Therefore, the two discussions, both in the empowerment committee and dialogue with the political parties, had to be balanced with each other, and the best possible outcome had to be incorporated as far as the bill was concerned. Stop. It was obvious that this exercise would take time, but I would say this has yielded effect, and there has been a large consensus building which has taken place, which was absolutely necessary in a bill of this kind, for this simple reason that a legislation of this kind cannot be based on a partisan considerations. Stop. Almost every major political party in the country is a part of the power structure in some part of the country or the other, or at least it is likely to be. Stop. Parachange. Therefore, since this impacts across the center and the states, a larger political consensus was necessary, and therefore we have systematically worked towards that political consensus, and I am extremely grateful to all the political parties whose members are present here. Stop. I am particularly grateful to the leader of the opposition who was a part of the discussions that I had along with his colleagues on this subject, as also various other political parties. Stop. Chief ministers of almost all states, leaders of all political parties whom I had discussed this issue with, and the empowered committee of state finance ministers, that we have been able to achieve as far as a consensus as it is possible, if not unanimity, as far as the language and the spirit of this legislation is concerned. Stop. Sir, the bill seeks to subsume various taxes as far as the central government is concerned and the state governments are concerned into a uniform goods and services tax. Stop. As a part of the consensus, the states strongly felt that alcohol had to be kept out. Stop. Many states felt that petroleum products should be kept out. Stop. So the arrangement that has been made is that alcohol, at least consumable alcohol, is not a part of the GST. Stop. Technically, petroleum products are kept out, but they are being zero rated. Stop. They will be brought within the taxation structure itself once the empowered committee gives an approval. Stop.